Our continuing coverage of Hurricane Florence continues tonight at the 8 o'clock hour, and things are progressing.
Right. Let's go to Chief Meteorologist Wes Hohenstein. And Wes, we just got that 8 o'clock update, and it looks like the storm's still going about 5 miles per hour.
Yeah, so not many changes. You know what? That's going to happen. We will hear from the National Hurricane Center every hour pretty much until this thing makes landfall, which may not happen until Friday morning, maybe even Friday afternoon. So here's the latest. Not much has changed. Still 100-mile-per-hour winds, gusting to 120, moving northwest at 5. And to get an update every hour that doesn't change, that's important because that means it's still moving 5 miles per hour. Now, at some point, I think that's going to drop even slower, but then we're going to deal with another update this slow, another one, and that's very important because that's part of why this is going to be such a high impact event, because it's moving so slow for so long. This is going to sit here and on top of our state for a day to two, 1 to 2 days. So you walk away from the TV right now, you come back in a couple hours, you're going to be like, well, wait a minute, that didn't move. That's because it might not. It is 85 miles from Wilmington, the eye is, but we are already starting to see some rain here in central North Carolina. Some heavy bands moving into parts of Wayne County and getting ready to move into parts of Wilson County as well as eastern Edgecombe County. So this heavy rain band, no lightning with it, but it will drop some heavy rain in your area. And the problem will become when the solid wall of water starts to move into our area and stay over us for a day and a half to 2 days. So a few scattered showers out there right now. It's breezy right now. If you look back here in the top left part of your screen, you can see central North Carolina has wind gusts that are 20 to 30 miles per hour. And that's what we're looking at, current wind gusts. There's the eye, the heavy rain bands. When those arrive, they're going to bring the stronger wind gusts. So we just kind of go up the coast down to Oak Island. I'm sure we've all vacationed there in the summer, 31-mile-per-hour wind gusts. And it's coming from the northwest. Then you come up the coast to Wilmington, also northwest, 38 miles per hour. And then look there in Jacksonville, northeast, 66-mile-per-hour wind gust. And then on the Outer Banks, we have 50 and 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. We've already had reports, though, of wind gusts on the Outer Banks, I believe it was Cape Hatteras, in excess of 80 miles per hour. So it's really starting to get a little salty there. As far as what we can expect here, we're going to see some pretty strong winds, too. And we have a tropical storm warning in effect. That is everyone in orange. So that's you guys in Lewisburg, down here in Wake County, from Raleigh down to Fuquay, up to Wake Forest, out to Knightdale, out to Apex. Everyone here in Wake County could see tropical storm force winds, 39 miles per hour or higher, sometime in the next 36 hours. Most of it's going to come, though, tomorrow. Hurricane force winds for Wayne County, for Sampson County. Obviously, the farther south and east you go, the more wind you're going to see and the more rain you're going to see. So that's the situation with the wind. Here's the situation with the flooding potential. So this is all coming from the sky. This is all rain. Remember, storm surge has been a big part of the conversation with this system. Storm surge doesn't impact our area. We have to worry about freshwater flooding. We have to worry about the heavy rain accumulating to anywhere between 6 and 12 inches over several days. So flash flood watch through Sunday night for pretty much everyone except the Virginia border counties and southern Virginia. And then we showed you the active tornado warning earlier along the coast. They have the tornado watch until 9 o'clock. At some point, as this massive storm slowly shifts west, we are going to have a tornado threat. That time is probably not tonight, most likely as we head into tomorrow. The latest track from the National Hurricane Center, again, continues to show a slow-moving Category 2 hurricane with 100-mile-per-hour winds approaching the coast tomorrow morning, possibly making landfall then or early afternoon, again, depending on the speed and depending on where it makes landfall. You know how concave and convex and how pointy our coast is, so that'll impact everything about the timing of this. But then making that turn southwest and then making that turn back to the north. Now, here's one thing that I worry about. What if it doesn't make this dip to the southwest? What if it just comes straight across? That means a lot more heavy rain for us, and when it's moving 4 miles per hour, that means this giant storm is going to sit over us for a very long time. And remember, this cone is just telling us where the probability of the center being. So it could be down here on the south edge of the cone. It could be up here in the north. Again, that would impact everything from North Carolina and Virginia all the way down into parts of South Carolina. So by the time it's all said and done, here is what we expect to be in the rain bucket. I'm talking through early next week. 10 to 20 inches of rain possible south of the Triangle in the Sandhills. That's over several days. That was going to create some major flooding problems. Here in the Triangle, we're expecting anywhere from 4 to 10. I know that is a really wide range of rain, but it's going to be like that as this system continues to wobble around.